How to upload a picture on your Gmail account. Let's see. Click here, primary. Click here, then go to setting. Here, then click the username. Then my account. Click my account. Then tap the picture here. Tap the picture here. See, tap the picture here. Appear as here's the picture. Here, set as profile photo. Take photos or choose photos. Choose photos from gallery. Just accept.